live kitchenette red carpet menu where I take Oscar's Best Picture nominations and I turn them into delicious dishes. This is my best menu yet, and it's year 30. We've got a Latin-esque theme this year. It's time for our salad. For Nickale boys, it's Nickale boys, a kale salad with an orange vinaigrette. Nickale Boys was already such a compelling movie, just with the story. And then they shot it from first perspective. You didn't see who was talking, you saw who you were talking to, like we do in everyday conversations. We don't see ourselves speaking to anybody. It was quite a device to really make you feel like you were in their shoes. The story, the twist, it's wonderful. I chose to make kale salad because Nickale boys thought they weren't worth more than a nickel, and kale really was a garnish. It was a throwaway. I thought that had a lot of the same lines, humans versus salad, but you get it. I chose the orange vinaigrette because since we were seeing the perspective of our character, there was looking at oranges, there was orange cake, and I wasn't making an orange cake because that was too obvious. Make this. It's delicious. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.